Are you a nighthawk or an early bird? Do ideas swirl in your mind, inspiring you to new heights? Take your creativity to the next level by pursuing your passions. If you've always wanted to explore a new career, start by reading about it, studying the work of others, and immersing yourself in the field. As someone who's both a nighthawk and early bird, I've found that balance is key. I prioritize reading, hobbies, and quiet time, disconnecting from the internet to reconnect with myself. I've learned to appreciate the value of humility, sharing my accomplishments when they're tangible rather than just ideas. What's your approach to creativity and productivity?